So you recently picked up an iPhone SE and you want to protect your investment. And this is where Rhinoshield comes in. So I have a bunch of Rhinoshield cases here for the iPhone SE. Let's take a look inside. We got the crash guard, we got the Solidsuit, and we got the Mon X. Okay, we got some back plates here. This is not sponsored, by the way, but they just sent me these cases for me to check out. We're going to start with the Solidsuit first because the Solidsuit is pretty straightforward. Now, before I get started, if you guys use my code SimplyPops, you'll get 10% off on all Rhinoshield cases. So that works for any cases, whether it's the Galaxy S20, the iPhone SE, iPhone 10, all the cases on Rhinoshield, you get 10% off if you use code SimplyPops. So without further ado, let's just open up the Solidsuit series. This is just a super tough protective case that got your backs. On the back of the box, premium finish, durable material, raised lip covers, so it drops on all angles. You have that lip protection. Snug fit. It's 3 millimeters thin. It's for the iPhone 7, 8, and SE. So if you have an iPhone 7 or 8, this is also going to work, or it's going to fit. You know, coming from the iPhone 11 Pro Max, this is just like super duper tiny. This is like using the iPhone 4 again. You get what I'm saying? But yeah, very straightforward. I have the product red iPhone, and yeah, very neat minimalistic case. The back feels amazing. It's grippy, so you don't have to worry about this thing slipping off your hand. You got that raised lip, so when you drop it on his face, you don't have to worry about it. I still recommend investing in a screen protector just in case of any scratches on the screen. If you drop it on his front, you have nothing to worry about because you have that raised lip. And of course, you got your buttons, so your buttons work just fine. You have your volume up and down, and it's very easy to flip up and down the mute switch on the side. The cutout of your camera, you have that red accent, so you're going to see the color of your phone right there, which is really nice. Now, what's will happen is I have all of the iPhone SE colors here, so I have white and I have black, so we're going to see how those look with this case. Yeah, this is the white. No matter what color you go with, it's going to just look clean. The black is going to be more unified because the case is black around and it kind of matches well. Yeah, it gives it a more sleek and stealthy look. Now, of course, wireless charge works like a charm. For the most part, all of these cases will support wireless charge. Alright, let's go to the next one. Alright, so you can engrave your name on the back. You could do this online. So this is the S20 Ultra Case. You can have your name engraved on the back of there, so you can have, you know, your loved one there, give it to your mother for Mother's Day. But in this case, they put Evolve. Okay. Alright, so let's see how this look. Just slap it right on. And yeah, that red is going to just stand right out. Absolutely love the product red. And of course, your buttons work just fine. Very clicky at that. Your volume up and down. Very clicky. And the back feels like a leather, but I'm pretty sure this is PU leather because leather is not water resistant and that will mess up leather, but it feels amazing. Kind of smells like leather too. I shouldn't even be smelling these products because you got this thing going around, but anyway. And yeah, in the back you have that black and white, the black and red, and then you're going to have black on black. This is going to look clean. You guys see that texture there too? That leather. Wireless charge is going to work just fine too as well. Yep. All black one is my favorite. Something about that sleek look. It matches perfectly with the case. I don't know. Something about it gets me every time. You have that stealth out button, or that side button on the side, or the switch I should say. Yeah. We got the carbon fiber one. Carbon fiber. There we go. Feels grippy. Feels super duper grippy. It feels like real carbon fiber. And I keep on forgetting, inside has a web pattern. So this is shock absorption. So if you drop your phone, this is going to, you know, absorb the shock. Showcase the color of your phone with that camera module. Of course, wireless charge is going to work. Just like that. And of course, you got your buttons up and down. Absolutely love the Solidsuit series. Just really no complaints here. It screams luxury, screams fanciness. And yeah, you can't go wrong with the Solidsuit series. Turn your $400 iPhone into $1,000 with one of these cases. We got the crash guard. So it's a tough bumper case. Of course, durable material. Thin and light. Raised lip for protection on the screen. Yeah, this is going to be your wipes. The film on the back, you want to basically clean off the back of your phone before you stick this on. This is going to look excellent if you have a product red iPhone. Let me put this on immediately. All right, so to put the crash guard on is just simple. You just line up the buttons and everything, and you just put it right on. And it clips right onto place. Make sure the edges is snapped on well. And I gotta tell you guys, a bumper case is gonna be right if you have like a product red iPhone, because look, this just screams right here. You know what I'm saying? And you still feel in the back of your phone too, and you getting that protection. Forget about it. You get what I'm saying? Like this is insane. All right, so of course the buttons are nice and clicky. You have that red button there, and the volume up and down, red too. And of course you got your mute switch on the side. And I forgot to mention the bottom too. The bottom is gonna be open on all these cases. You're not gonna have a problem accessing the bottom of your port. And yeah, overall this case right here, dope. Really dope case. And to put the cherry on top, you can actually customize the buttons. So you can take the volume up button off and you can replace it with a yellow button or a black button or a green button. You can really go crazy with this case, and you can even change the rim too. And you can have like a black rim or a green rim or a blue rim. The white one looks clean too because you got that red, the black, and the white. Without a doubt, wireless charge is going to work. You get what I'm saying? The back is completely open, so you're not going to have a problem with wireless charge. You know what? I messed this up. I can't even do it now. It was supposed to be A and then B, but I did B and then A. Oh man. But it's not too bad though. The all blackness, and then this is where you should really use your sticker here, because look at those fingerprints. So these back plates are going to turn the bumper case into an actual case. So if you want to protect the back, check these guys out. You just put the back plate right on, and then boom, now it's a case. You just turn your bumper case into an actual case. So, and then you just put the phone like regular, and you're good to go. Much better. Of course, wireless charge is gonna work just like a charm. This camera one is hard. This is hard. This is a new one. This is a NASA. Yeah, if you want to take it to space, you can. Okay, well, I got another crash guard. This is like a pine forest color with the orange. So green and orange, it goes, it just pops. So yeah, right away, you have a lot of emphasis on the orange as a bright color. But in terms of the front, you got that olive and black. Okay, the buttons on the side, nice and clicky. Easy access to your mute switch. It is a little deep in there, but you can take your fingernail. Well, if you have fingernails, the bottom ports, definitely one of my favorites. And they also have it for the Apple Watch too. So if you want to get this matching with your Apple Watch, you can. Wireless charge is going to work just fine. Okay, the white one. And last but not least, we have the red one. So the red one, it's kind of my least favorite for this case because there's no kind of matching. It's not like no kind of flow to it, no complementary colors, but you do you. Like I said, you can customize it, you can make it fire. Okay, you guys probably not even want to see the Rhinoshield branding, but it says Rhinoshield here. You want to put it right facing up to you. So this is how the other colors is going to look like. I think the white one is going to look the best. It showcases the contrast. But me personally, I like the white iPhone SE for this back bumper, or this back plate. It just looks the cleanest in my opinion. Even the NASA, you're going to just see everything a little bit more clearly. You have that Apple logo on the back there. Yeah, the white one. Even the black one is not too shabby either. You have that contrast, you can see. Okay. And then the red one. The red one is actually not bad either. White and red is always a cool combination. And then you have the red NASA text. That would match perfectly. We have the Mon NX series. So this is a tough, customizable module case system. On the back of the box, you have the frame, the buttons, the rim, and the back plate. Okay, you can have a bumper case, and you can have like a standard case. Of course, durable materials, thin and light, and of course you have that raised lip protection. Let's just put an iPhone on. So it's like a bumper case, and it snaps right into place. And then if you want the back plate on, just put the back plate right on, and then you slap the case right on, and then you're good to go. Of course, the side button, very clicky. The up and down button, clicky. Easy access to your mute switch. The bottom, of course, that's open. And yeah, of course, you got that lip protection. You got that customization. And since we're here, we may as well open up all of the colors. So we got black, and then we got blue. I could put in a blue rim. So yeah, and the blue and white just goes along. And if you have that white iPhone SE, it's gonna look clean. And then imagine combining that with blue buttons. It's game over. You get what I'm saying? It's game over. That's one thing I really love about their cases. It's customizable. You can make it unique, something totally different. Change your rims, change your colors. So many combinations. The red and white is starting to be my favorite color combination. Something about it just goes along really well. You guys know blue is my favorite color, if you haven't noticed already. But yeah, blue and white, yeah, feels right at home. And if you combine with the back plate with that blue, this is not the same blue. This is more of a navy, you know, not really a navy blue, but a darker baby blue. But yeah, you can get away with this, I guess. And of course, wireless charge is gonna work like a charm. And yeah, the blue and black is not really my favorite color combo, but yeah. And remember, you can even change your rims, make it white, make it red. And here's the red and blue. Swipe that off. The red and blue, it's not bad. I wish it was a little bit more brighter, like a brighter blue. But yeah, not too shabby. We have one more item to check out. We got these back protectors. So if you're rocking out with a bumper case, you have some protection on the back of your iPhone. And as you guys know, these phones get fingerprints very easy, especially if you're going with the black iPhone SE. So you have 6 layers of protection. You have protection on the front, and you have protection on the back. Oh, wait a minute. This is a screen protector, and this is a back protector. Okay, I see. Pretty much the same thing, 6 layers of protection, but this time is on the back. So first step is to wipe it off, make sure there's no fingerprints. Inside of the packaging, you have a little card, so it's gonna scrape out all the bubbles once you're done. And then you have like your glue sticker, so this is like to get rid of any dust or lint. And then take your glass screen protector, you peel off side A first. And you wanna line it up with the earpiece, and you wanna line it up with the camera module. That is it. Make sure the home button is good. Once you line it up, take your finger, hold it down, and then take the card and then kind of just swipe it to get rid of all those bubbles. And you just scrape off all the bubbles. Now throughout wear and tear and throughout usage, the bubbles are going to automatically wipe off. The camera module and the earpiece, nice and precise. And the screen looks clear. And combine that with one of the Rhinoshield cases, it's game over. Your phone is going to be super duper protected. Alright, now time for the back. First step is to always wipe off any fingerprint. If you need it, you have the debris stickers. Peel off side A. And you could do this way better than me. I'm just kind of moving fast just because I'm trying to get this video done so I can eat. Just scrape everything down. And then you peel off. And you're good to go. And like I said, throughout time, all the bubbles are gonna go away. And just to show you guys that these work fine with the cases, I'm gonna put on a bumper case. So yeah, the front is good, and the back is solid. I mean, I kind of installed the back screen protector a little crooked, but like I said, you're gonna do it better than me. You're gonna take your time with it. But for me, I'm just showing you guys X, Y, and Z. Of course, wireless charge is still gonna remain working. Okay, going back to the Solidsuit, that's gonna work just fine. Okay, no screen protectors lifting up. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that pretty much concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, I appreciate it with a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're new around here with notifications on. And let me know down in the comments down below how you guys feel about these Rhinoshield cases for the iPhone SE2. And other than that, I hope you guys stay safe, stay clean, and stay simple. Peace.